Hi there! In our previous video, we showed you how to create a full name smart field in Forest Admin to link a customer's first name and last name together and display it on your admin panel. Today, we're going to take customization another step further and add what we call a smart action. If you want to utilize Forest Admin to the fullest, you'll need to go beyond the basic CRUD features and build specific actions according to your business needs. Some examples of these could include moderating comments, generating an invoice, banning a user, or refunding a payment. Depending on what your business does, these things can be crucial to your everyday work, and you can handle them all from Forest Admin. To demonstrate how you can do so, we'll show you how to create a smart action to change an order status from in transit to delivered. Let's get started. In order to create a smart action, you will first need to declare it in your code for a specific collection. Here, we declare a mark as delivered smart action for the orders collection. After declaring it, your smart action will appear in the Smart Actions tab within the collection settings. Let's go there and make it visible. Bear in mind, the smart action logic is not implemented yet, so let's move on and code it in the orders controller. The business logic in this smart action is extremely simple. All we do is update the attribute status to the value delivered. And there you have it. Our new smart actions logic is now implemented and ready to be used. Let's try it out. Great, it works. This barely scratches the surface of what's possible with smart actions, of course. You can also customize the toaster alert in the response, prompt the user for an input in a form, add a validation workflow, configure permissions to allow specific users and roles to trigger them, and much more. If you want to learn more, head on over to our documentation at docs.forestadmin.com, and don't forget to follow us on socials as well. See you next time.